It's Sharee. So I'm coming back at you guys vlog style, as you guys can see, because today is going to be my girlfriend's bachelor party. Well, part one of her bachelor party, bachelorette party. And yeah, I'm on my way to pick her up. We're gonna be going to the spa, and then we are gonna be taking some private hip-hop dance classes. So I'm really excited for that. And she doesn't really know what is happening today except for the spa part, because somebody spilled the beans by accident to her. But other than that, she doesn't know what else is happening. There's going to be part 2 tomorrow. And yeah, so I'm going to be trying to vlog that as much as I can today. So yeah, I'm on my way to pick her up right now. Okay, so I'm here at my girlfriend's house.
Hi!
Say hello to the YouTube world.
Oh my god, hello vlog world.
So we're just getting ready to head out to her bachelor event. She knows a few things. What do you know?
We're going to be pampered. That's all I know for now.
Yeah, and for me, like, I know where we're going, but I don't exactly know what's involved. So all I know is we have to pack bikini bottoms, and I don't know what else is happening, but yeah, we're gonna be getting ready to go soon. And yeah, we'll see you guys when we get there with everybody else. Before we get going, I gotta get myself a cup of coffee. I'll be driving all day. Yum. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. Okay, so now we're on to event number 2. We weren't able to film the spa part because the cell phones were not allowed in there, but we did have an amazing time. I might just add some pictures in here that we took before we went into the spa. But now we're all ready. We're gonna go dancing. Well, she knows. She knows already. So we're gonna go dancing.
Yeah.
We have a little bit of issues going on, but I think we should be fine, right, girl? Are you doing okay?
Yes, I'm doing good.
You're doing good. All right, let's go. We are a sweaty mess, or I am a sweaty mess.
Oh my god.
About
no,
you.
I am like sweating. Whew.
That was so much fun.
That was amazing.
Oh, that dance class was so fun. I wish it was longer.
Yeah.
But we decided, what are we gonna go back?
We are so going back. I think we all enjoyed it.
We need to continue the song.
Yeah.
We need to complete the whole song,
I
even if
think
it
we
takes
should.
like 5 classes. Oh, that'll be so fun.
We loved it.
It was
all
fun.
the girls, they all
So this is
loved
all
it.
for you, girl.
Yay!
All for you, girl. Hopefully you had fun.
It was
Did
awesome.
you have fun? I'm sweaty. I don't
I know,
feel
I'm
like
like
come
all
to me. I'm all
sticky.
gross.
I'm all sticky.
I know. But part 2 will come tomorrow, and it will be all fun because she knows we gotta get all glammed up, makeup, hair, but she doesn't know where. Do you know where? Tell me the truth.
All I
Do you
know is the time. All I know is the time, but I don't know what these girls have planned for the night.
Oh,
So
it'll
yeah.
be so fun. Yeah, I can't wait. Hey, I got my two girls. Okay, this is day 2 of her bachelorette party. Still, do you know what's going on?
No, I don't. All I know is something.
Okay, good.
Dinner.
Because she knew yesterday, but right now we're just gonna have a drink of wine.
I'm here.
before we-
I know this girl is here. She made it for the
Yeah,
second
she
part.
missed out yesterday. We had a lot of
She did.
fun.
Cheers.
So this is for Jobel.
Cheers for
It's red
tonight.
wine.
Oh
I
my
don't know
God.
how I drink red wine, but
You've never drank red wine?
I did.
Oh,
but
okay, because
it's
I'm like
hard.
kind of scared. Okay.
It's hard to drink
Cheers.
red wine.
Cheers. Yeah, love it, girls. Ooh. Honest one.
Okay.
Girlfriend, did you just freaking drink that all?
She needed it.
She shot. She just
I
finished.
couldn't. Okay.
No.
Okay.
Do you want another one? Sure. Okay, hold on. Sorry, girlfriend.
We're gonna have another drink
So,
before we go.
so this is my hubby's house wine.
Okay.
It is Valpolicella red wine. It's one of his homemade wines that he does. So
Let's
us girls are gonna have another one.
drink to that. I'm already
that
feeling. Okay, she tells me now that I'm not supposed to shot it.
You don't.
I drink
Now I feel
You
buzzed.
don't take wine as shots.
I'm not a wine
You're not
drinker.
supposed to.
I got. Oh my gosh.
These girlfriends are like.
We're
freaking
done.
rookies.
I haven't.
The rookies.
partied
You're
in
not
a
supposed to like drink
Are you
this as
posting
shots.
this? I hope
Oops.
somebody sees me.
Okay, well let's drink it now.
Okay, cheers.
Cheers again.
Cheers again.
Don't shot it. Just sip.
Unbelievable. Sean's gonna make fun of you girls.
Well, we're trying to rush here so we can get to the
We should-
location.
This is good wine.
I love this
Thank you.
lace
Ooh, I love
attire.
that.
Look at that.
I didn't know whether to wear
What are
white.
you wearing?
Some lacy dress.
You
I wasn't
like,
sure.
what is the
So.
designer brand?
That I don't know if it's a I don't know if it's a designer brand. I just thought it was super cute and it was fitted. I
Did
know.
you buy
we'll
this?
just pretend it's Kelly.
Like recently?
I did.
Just
I
for
did
today?
not today. This was a while back, and I thought this would have been really good
Nice.
for bachelorette. So
Ooh.
I didn't know, right? I didn't know.
Look here.
Sean's like, you better not bend down for any.
Yeah.
I was
And
like,
then-
don't worry.
What are you wearing? This shirt was a good find.
Yeah.
It was a good find. I went with her to find that. Yeah, good find. You guys will see my outfit later. Okay, so girl, where are we?
We are at La Roca.
I've never been here, but it looks
This is my first
nice
time.
and classy.
I love it. Like I
And
love
we are the first ones here. No one's here yet. No one's here yet.
Oh my god, I'm curious now.
It was reserved, I guess, for that many, but I don't know who else.
Interesting.
But yeah, we're here waiting. Okay, girl, girlfriend, we're gonna need to put this on for you.
Oh my god. This is awesome.
It is dark, so we can see
Oh,
that.
it's this way, sorry.